Let's learn how you can backup and restore WhatsApp chats. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want because method is same for every phone. Now if you open WhatsApp application, I will show you tutorial on iPhone, but process is same on Android, just you will use different cloud. For example, on iPhone we will use iCloud, and for Android you will use Google Drive, but method is same. Now when you open WhatsApp, go to your settings and just click on this chats option, and here you will see chat backup. Click here, and as you can see here you will see backup now option. I can't do that because I am not signed into iCloud, but just click on backup now and your chats will be backed. Now when you want to restore, you will just have to delete your WhatsApp, and when you open and enter new profile, I mean when you enter your phone number, you will get the option restore from backup, restore from iCloud. For Android you will get restore from Google Drive. So that's it, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.